Welcome back, students. This is Medieval History, Chapter 3, Delhi Sultanate. Let's start. When did the fourth Mongol invasion take place? The answer is during Alauddin's reign in 1303 CE. Next, Sayyid were known as, and the answer is Kuladharan. Next, name the Moroccan traveler who wrote the world famous travelogue, the Rihla. The answer is Ibn Battuta. Next, during the medieval period, Indian postal system was of two kinds. Which kinds? The answer is Uluk, which was the horse post, and Dawa, which was the foot post. Next, the horse post Uluk, which was run by royal horses stationed at a distance of every, and the answer is 4 miles. The foot post Dawa had 3 stations, and the answer is every mile. Next, name the Sultan who succeeded in breaking and destroying the power of Turkan-e-Chilgani. The answer is Balban. Next, who went to China as the envoy of Emperor Muhammad bin Tughlaq in 1342? And the answer is Ibn Battuta. Next, during the administration of Delhi Sultanate, the revenue in charge was called, and the answer is Amil. Who did the army of Kakatiya rulers in 1303 at Warangal defeat? And the answer is Alauddin Khilji. Next, name the department which Diwani Amir Kohi dealt with during the Delhi Sultanate reign. And the answer is agriculture. Next, who was the first Sultan to introduce the Turan currency in India? And the answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, who was the first ruler to use digging canal system for enriching agriculture? And the answer is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Next, who was the first Persian poet to depict Indian environment in his poetry? And the answer is Amir Khusrau. Next, one strategy in market reforms that was very successful during Alauddin Khilji's reign was, and the answer is market price control. Next, Banaras during the medieval period of Indian history was famous for, and the answer is being a trading place. Next, Banjara is a term derived from, the answer is Vanaj, meaning trade, and Jara, meaning travel. Next, who was called a slave of a slave? And the answer is Iltutmish. Next, who was the first Sultan of Sultanate who shifted his capital to Delhi? The answer is Iltutmish. Next, which Sultanate dynasty was of Afghan origin? And the answer is Bahlol Lodi. Next, the original name of Genghis Khan was Temuchin or Remuchin. Next, name the river that was the boundary between the Delhi Sultanate and Mongols during the period of Alauddin Khilji after 1306 AD. And the answer is the Ravi River. Next, both Khiljis and Tughlaqs appointed slaves to high political positions such as generals and governors. They were called as, and the answer is Bandagans. Next, who were called Dastarbandan? And the answer is Ulema. Next, Diwani Amiri Kohi dealt with, and the answer is agriculture. Next, Diwani Bandhagan dealt with, and the answer is slaves. Next, Diwani Ars dealt with, and the answer is military. Next, Diwani Insha dealt with, and the answer is state correspondence. Next, Alauddin Khilji introduced the system of Daw, which means, the answer is branding of horses. Next, who were the headmen in the village during the reign of Alauddin Khilji? The answer is Quds and Muhammad. Next, who was the first Sultan to do assessment of land on measurement theory? And the answer is Alauddin Khilji.